Miss PIDC's Philippines. I'm in grade 9 and I'm an academic student, and so today we're here in Mississauga Center for the Fiesta na Kalayaan, and I'm so excited to be here, and thank you to everybody who supported me, and I love you all. Thank you.
So what do you do at PIDC?
So today's my first appearance, and so we're gonna be doing a parade today, and we're just gonna be taking a lot of pictures and having fun.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Okay, this is Clarice. She's Miss Manila. So my question would be, how is it to be Miss Manila?
Being Miss Manila is honestly truly a great honor. It's my first pageant overall, but for me to be the delegate of Fiesta Filipina, to be able to represent them in the best way is truly an amazing feeling, and I'm just happy that I'm able to be doing that.
So when were you chosen?
I was chosen during the pageant, which was on June 6th, 2015, so a couple of weeks ago. And during the pageant, there was a talent question and answer, and there was a bunch of dresses that we had to present to the judges.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Julie Valador, and I won first runner-up on Miss Manila. I also won Miss Photogenic and Best Interno. I like to say that, you know, this pageant has really changed me, and it really has developed my self-confidence, and I really enjoyed this pageant overall. And you know, Miss Manila is such a good pageant. It does not only stress the outer beauty, but it also stresses the inner beauty, and that's what's important. And I'm very, very happy that I won this title. Definitely, you have to do your best and always stay true to yourself.
Okay. Let me ask you, are you still in school?
Yes, but we finished school recently, but I'm going into grade 12, so it's my last year in high school.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
No problem.